So you guys following now? Like it's starting to happen? Okay, so now we want it to happen on an interval. And there's literally something called time interval, which I didn't explain to you, in JavaScript. Super cool, very dangerous function, but very cool. There it is. That's all it is. So set interval. So after I get results, I can set interval. And this is gonna, just to show you, I'm gonna copy paste this. This is gonna alert me every 1 second, which is gonna be awful. Hello, 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 right? It's never gonna stop. It's mad.
And does it queue them all up too if you don't?
Yeah, the alerts just become, there's no way to get out of it unless it refreshes. Let's see. No way I can get out of this. All right. All right, so now I want to set interval to pretty much take my top slide, add slide right, and the next second I want to take the next slide and add slide right. So now I have to do some funky things, right? I have to think about this. So I'm going to create another function down below that we can call, and just it's going to be called slide right, or just slide. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is get my slides, right? This is where I'm going to use a query selector all. And then I just say companies.slide. So that's going to give me all my slides. Let top slide. So you could do something cool with a query selector. So remember, query selector will just get the first one it finds. That's going to be useful for us right now, right? I'm going to say slide not. So there's this cool keyword, not. And what did I call that? I called it slide right, right? So I'm looking for the first company slide that doesn't have the slide right, meaning that I'm going to find the first one that's visible to me.
Can you call query selector on your node list of slides instead of document there?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. So this is actually off of that. So he's right. I could go like this. Technically, that might work. Maybe not with the not. I might have to go one parent above. But yeah. So almost everything in JavaScript like this, if it's being called off the document, it's because the document is the top level node and everything's in it. So you can be less specific by drilling down. Could do another one on parenting, which is probably very useful. So what I'm going to do with my top slide, right, is I'm just going to add, I'm going to go class list dot add slide right. This will work until the end, then it's going to break, but let's just show you how that works. And then in my set interval, every 2,000 seconds, I'm going to call the function slide. Let's see it work. So it's happening below. See that? So it started from, it didn't know what to select right away. It selected the very bottom one. Did you guys catch that? So now I have to think like, okay, when there's not a slide right, what do I do, right? So I'm going to just pull out the solution I have over here to show you where I got. I think there's probably a more elegant solution than this, but let's just have a look. change. All right, so let's just refresh and see if this works.
Yeah.
Yeah, the names may be off, but let me just walk you through the solution. So let's look here. So this is what in the final solution, which I'll show you the final here.